friends, today in this video we will discuss part 2 of chapter 2 biological classification, in which we discuss 2.2 kingdom protista. 2.2 kingdom protista. All single celled eukaryotes are placed under protista, but the boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. What may be a photosynthetic protistian to one biologist may be a plant to another. In this book we include chrysophyte, dinoflagellate, euglenoid, slime molds, and protozoans under Protista. Members of Protista are primarily aquatic. This kingdom forms a link with the others dealing with plants, animals, and fungi. Being eukaryotes, the protistian cell body contains a well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Some have flagella or cilia. Protists reproduce asexually and sexually by a process involving cell fusion and zygote formation. 2.2.1 Chrysophytes. This group includes diatoms and golden algae desmids. They are found in fresh water as well as in marine environments. They are microscopic and float passively in water currents. Most of them are photosynthetic. In diatoms, the cell wall form two thin overlapping shells which fit together as in a soap box. The walls are embedded with cilia and thus the walls are indestructible. Thus, diatoms have left behind large amount of cell wall deposits in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years is referred to as diatomeous earth. Being gritty, this soil is used in polishing, filtration of oil and syrups. Diatoms are the chief producers in the oceans. 2.2.2 Dinoflagellates. These organisms are mostly marine and photosynthetic. They appear yellow, green, brown, blue, and or depending on the main pigments present in their cells. The cell wall has stiff cellulosic plates on the outer surface. Most of them have two flagella, one lies longitudinally and the other transversely in a row between the wall plates. Very often red dinoflagellates, example goniolax, undergo such rapid multiplication that they make the sea appear red. Toxins released by such large numbers may even kill other marine animals such as fishes. Euglena. Majority of them are freshwater organisms found in stagnant water. Instead of a cell wall, they have a protein-rich layer pellicle, which makes their body flexible. They have two flagella, a short and a long. Though they are photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight, when deprived of sunlight, they behave like heterotrophic by predating on other smaller organisms. Interestingly, the pigments of euglenoid are identical to those present in higher plants. Example, euglena. Slime molds. Slime molds are saprophytic protists. The body moves along decaying twists and leaves, engulfing organic matter. Under suitable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium, which may grow and spread over several feet. During an unfavorable condition, the plasmodium differentiates and form floating bodies bearing spores at their tips. Spores cause screw walls. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years. Even under adverse conditions, the spores are dispersed by air currents. Protozoans. All protozoans are heterotroph and live as predator or parasites. They are believed to be primitive relatives of animals. There are four major groups of protozoans. Amoeboid protozoans. These organisms live in fresh water, seawater, or moist soil. They move and capture their prey by putting out pseudopodia, false feet, as in amoeba. Marine forms have silica shells on their surface. Some of them, such as entamoeba, are parasites. Flagellated protozoans. The members of this group are either free-living or parasitic. They have flagella. The parasitic form cause diseases such as sleeping sickness. Example, trypanosoma. Ciliated protozoans. These are aquatic, actively moving organisms because of the presence of thousands of cilia. They have a cavity gullet that opens to the outside of the cell, and the coordinated movement of rows of cilia causes the water laden with food to be stirred into the gullet. Example, Paramecium. Sporozoans. This includes diverse organisms that have an infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. The most notorious is Plasmodium, Malarian parasite, which causes malaria, a disease which has a staggering effect on human population. Like, share, and subscribe for the next part 3 for fungi. Bye.